हाय माई सेल्फ चैताली चैटर्जी। आज हम आए हैं सेकंड एपिसोड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की बातें अल्पा के साथ। और आज हमारे गेस्ट आए हैं राहुल मोदी, जो एक बहुत बड़े एग्जाम्पल है। और ही इज ओनर एंड फाउंडर ऑफ सफायर ऑर्गेनिक फूड्स, एंड ही इज member of E4BM, that is Enclave for Businessmen. And I would also like to introduce you Miss Alpa Shah, who is Empower Education की founder है वो, and she is chairperson of Entrepreneurship Development Cell of MSME and Startup Forum, Maharashtra, Bharat. Ma'am, over to you, and let's start our conversation.
Thank you, Chaitali, for inviting me. Once again, this is Alpa Shah, social entrepreneur, author, and finance professional, founder, Empower Education, and managing trustee, Freedom Foundation, in front of you. Rahul, welcome.
Welcome, thank you.
So, Rahul is the second generation entrepreneur of Sapphire Organic Foods, and I'm a firm believer of organic and ethical, and of course, something which is very, very close to my heart is health. Without health, you cannot achieve anything in life. How much ever you are rich, whatever you have in your life, but if your health is not with you, I don't think you will win the race. So, Rahul, thank you so much for joining, and I'm super happy that you are on the path to make everyone healthy.
Yes.
And I have many of his products. I have personally myself utilized it, and I'm a firm believer that the quality which Rahul has, as far as few products are concerned, is just mind-boggling.
Thank you
So,
so much. Thank you so.
Congratulations, Rahul.
Thank you so much. So, like you always tell, health is wealth. So, I am creating health. You're creating wealth of me. So that's how we have collaborated.
We are a super combination, guys.
So that's how. So this is Rahul's second generation business. So before that, I have started my own firm and events. I used to do events with a lot of big companies, and we used to do corporate events majorly.
Okay.
And we used to manage the celebrities. So we managed top celebrities of Bollywood industry, singers. And due to lockdown, the event industry got shut completely. So I saw that in next 4 years, the event industry will be haywire. So I thought, let's start something, which I can do. And as I'm a business person, so I always believe to, start my own firm. So one day, due to lockdown, I saw my father was struggling because he's a senior citizen, so he could not come out in due to Corona. So he could not go out and sell to the market. So that's how I realized, why not take this on offline opportunity to online, because everything came online in Corona virus. So that how it teach me. So I started learning about online, how it works and everything, and then I started a firm. And 1 year I was trained by my father in my own farm, which is in MP. So I was not knowing about grocery anything. So he teach each and everything in 1 year, and that's how we started this firm. And I took from online, offline to online, and we are there on major marketplaces, and we have our own website where we daily process 250 orders per day.
Oh, that's
Pan India.
commendable. Wow.
And also I saw that there is very lack in that, farmers and the consumers. I see there was a big gap in that. And I I've gone to few of my friends and I asked that, what is your thought about the organic. They always said organic is very high, we can't afford.
Oh.
So I thought, why not bring organic into conventional pricing and give people and tell them, please take care of your health, because health is everything. We are paying doctors in lakhs and we are not spending on food the quality what we require, and we are spending. So that's how I realized. So I started making a roadmap of mine, and through that roadmap I'm achieving everything nowadays, and we are helping a lot of farmers to grow organically. We are associated with a lot of farmers pan India, more than 10,000 farmers we are associated. We have trained, we have got them the certification, and we have given the marketplaces to them where they are directly selling to the consumers. So that's the best thing what we wanted to do, and that's what I wanted to do for the farmers. So that's
Wow.
how we gone that way.
So, what an inspirational story. First and foremost, today's generation, most of them, they don't want to join their family business. Rahul is one person who not just joined, but who believed that with his ability of scaling up online, and he found the purpose uplifting farmers community, building strong nation through health, and of course the farmers whom he is going to train. And secondly, I have a special respect for Rahul because he is one person who is very quick in taking decisions, and that is what is required. When he found that COVID is not going to help my event business, he immediately transformed his thought process into the new family business, and he has taken this business to the next level. So, all the entrepreneurs who's listening to Rahul's inspirational story, the learning is that you have to change with time, online, purpose, and the community whom you are serving. You have to keep them in mind so that you grow and they also grow. Rahul, I'm super impressed with whatever you are doing in the space of health. And one more thing which Rahul mentioned, pricing. Pricing is so important for any entrepreneur to stay in the game. And even I used to believe that organic food is very costly.
Yes.
Rahul, can you please throw some light on how your pricing is good? And secondly, in continuation to that, what is your giving back to
So,
society?
related to the pricing, what I've seen, there is a huge gap.
Okay?
If it is 100 rupees cost, and if you see a lot of company are charging 500, 400 rupees, so everyone can't afford. So I
Yes.
seen there is a lot of gap. So how I can feel that? So I just give a thought. Let's directly through farm directly sell to the customers. So no distribution, no retailers, no one. So from the farm, I'm procuring from my farm and directly giving to the consumer. So the margin of the pricing get reduced a lot.
Yes.
So that's how I thought that it
Good.
will help a lot of, because I have seen in coronavirus that people are not able to step out because they don't have money
Hmm.
to buy foods, because in that we seen that nothing is going to work, only food is going to help us.
Yes.
So that's how I thought, and the pricing is most essential where in organic so we are trying to still find, and we are trying to reduce more in organic and give the better quality to the customer.
Superb, Rahul.
So that's how the pricing thing and the community what we are trying to build. So there should be proper quality what for what they are paying it. So it should be, आई बिलीव इन दैट, आप जो पे कर रहे हो उसी से वो आपको मिलना चाहिए, वो आपका हक है, तो वो क्वालिटी हम लोग मेंटेन कर रहे हैं और वो प्रॉपर चीज़ों के साथ कस्टमर्स को हम देना चाह रहे हैं.
वाह, यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज बताना चाहूंगी कि राहुल हैज अ वेरी ह्यूज फार्म इन जबलपुर एंड एवरीथिंग इज ग्रोन देयर. देखिए, एक चीज यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो है ऑनलाइन स्केलेबिलिटी, न्यू वे ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस, रीचिंग आउट टू पीपल. आई एम श्योर ही इज एक्सपोर्टिंग ऑल्सो लॉट मैनी प्रोडक्ट्स अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. और उन्होंने एक चीज जो पकड़ के रखी है वो है क्लाइंट एंड कस्टमर स्पेसिफिक, यानी कि प्राइसिंग एंड क्वालिटी ऑल्सो. आप प्राइस कम करते हो लेकिन क्वालिटी को बिल्कुल कम नहीं करना है. वो एक आर्ट है एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, एक एथिक्स है जो आप सबको फॉलो करना है व्हेन यू आर डिलीवरिंग एंड केटरिंग टू योर क्लाइंट्स. सेकेंडली, उन्होंने फार्मर्स को कभी भी छोड़ा नहीं, यानी कि फार्मर्स के लिए उन्होंने ये पूरा बिजनेस जो है वो डेडिकेट किया हुआ है. सो मेरे ख्याल से राहुल इज डूइंग अ कमेंडेबल वर्क, और मुझे ये लगता है कि उनको कोई स्टॉप नहीं कर पाएगा फॉर रीचिंग न्यूअर एंड न्यूअर हाइट्स. राहुल, व्हाट्स योर क्लोजिंग नोट?
So my closing note, I never give up. So that's the
अमेजिंग.
motivation, and that's my quote where I write everywhere.
अच्छा.
So I never give up on things I want, so I will do it.
वाह.
So that's, I believe in that. So never give up in your things.
Never give up. That's what Rahul Modi is saying, and that's why he's so successful. So, Rahul, what is your experience? You are a member of E4BM.
Yes.
Can you tell me what exactly is this and how it's benefited to you?
So, like 1 year back, I was introduced by one of my friend to Chaitali, that there is a E4BM group. Why don't you join over there and be associate with them? So I said, why not? Let's try and give, because E4BM is enclave for businessmen. So I thought, why should we not joined over there? Let's try and give. So it is helping me a lot and giving me a lot of collaborations. So recently we have collaborated in Pune through E4BM for Cloud Kitchen, where my products are going there, and through that uh, they are making the food and delivering to the customers. So that's one of the best thing what I liked about E4BM. And secondly, the collaboration which was happened with one of RJ, where he is still purchasing from me
Wow.
my products from Amazon, and because he wanted fastest delivery, so Amazon give fastest delivery, so my products are live on that. So through that he is purchasing and is making his health very good.
Thank you, Rahul, for sparing time from your busy schedule, and we enjoyed talking to you.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for your time, Alpa ma'am and Chaitali.
Thank you, Chaitali.
तो आपने देखा किस तरह राहुल फार्मर्स को हेल्प कर रहे हैं और उसी तरह बिजनेस ग्रो भी कर रहे हैं और एक्सपोर्ट भी कर रहे हैं एंड ही इज सेइंग नेवर गिव अप सो फ्रेंड्स अगर रियली आपको आगे बढ़ना है आपने नया बिजनेस शुरू किया है लेकिन आपको विजिबिलिटी नहीं मिल रही है या रीच नहीं मिल रही है या आपको प्रमोशन के लिए हेल्प चाहिए सो जॉइन अस एनक्लेव फॉर बिजनेसमैन is for men entrepreneurs, we for women entrepreneurs enclave. And wait for our next episode, which is coming very soon. Thank you.